Need you for the old me, need you for my sanity, need you to remind me where I come from. Can you?
Hi guys, Jalisa Mariah, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and also follow me on Instagram at Jalisa Mariah. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for returning, and thank you for continuing to support my channel and watch my videos. So today I wanted to come to y'all to do a review on this wig that I'm wearing. That is from evahairwigs.com. So I know some people said they were like an AliExpress vendor or whatever that was bad. I did not order this from AliExpress. It came straight from their website, the evahairwigs.com website. So I can't speak to how the wigs are off AliExpress. But yeah, I basically, to sum up this video, like to just put in a nutshell, like I love this hair. Like the wig I ordered was like a 370. It was supposed to be a natural wave, but to me this does not look like natural wave. This is more like a deep wave or water wave, I don't know, but it was supposed to be a natural wave, Brazilian natural wave virgin hair unit. It came already pre-plucked and with the knots already bleached, so I did not have to do that. But as y'all can see, all this was already done. I did not do that. So excuse my baby hairs because they need to be fixed. But yeah, and I like a lot of baby hairs anyway. So, but as you can see, like you can part this any way you want. But I chose the side part because that's how it kind of was on the website, and I thought it was cute. So it was supposed to be 14 inches, but I feel like this is longer than 14 inches. It comes like right here. For wavy hair, I feel like it's longer than 14 inches, but it might not be. Let's see. As you can see, you could do like a deep part. It's not one of them lace fronts where your part gonna start right here. Like, it's good. This wig was 180 density, so it is on the thicker side. I would say if you don't like thick hair or big hair, get the 150 density. I wouldn't get the 130 because to me that's thin, but get the 150 density. This is 180, so it's more it's thicker. All I did today was put water on this hair and a little bit of like curling mousse or whatever, and like that's it. Like this how it looks. It's really pretty. The lace, this is Swiss, it was Swiss lace. I did tint the lace, and the tint was like a little too dark. Not really, but a little. So I would say, like, to me Swiss lace is like lighter than just the regular standard lace that comes on most lace wigs. So I would say, like, if you're a darker skin, that you should definitely tint the lace or put some makeup in it or something. You don't have to bleach the knots, but they can be bleached again. Yeah, I love this hair. I paid, I think, $125 for this wig. It came inside this box. All it came with was like the bag the wig came in, and they sent me 2 wig caps, a rat tail comb, the skinny comb, which came in handy when it came to like my part. Because it helped me like part it out or whatever. I did pluck the part a little bit, but that's it. And I didn't really have to. I just wanted it to look more defined. And it came with the adjustable strap. It is a hook in here for an adjustable strap. It's great wig construction. Like, I love it. All I did, like, when I got it, I washed it and conditioned it, and it's like 4 combs on the inside, and there was a place for you to do the black adjustable strap so that it could be glueless. I will say, I feel like I have a big head, and this wig is big. Like, it's really big. Like, I still have room in it. So I could not use this as a glueless wig because the adjustable strap to me just wasn't comfortable. But it does come with that, and it's already inside the wig, and you can leave it in and use it, or either remove it, whichever you choose. And they send an additional one with the wig in the box. Yeah, the shipping was fast. It came quicker than like the confirmation email said it would. Yeah, the seller communicates great, It's no shedding, no tangling. All I do when I go to bed at night with this wig is like split it down the middle like this and like put it in like 2 braids. And I tie down the edges or whatever, and like that's basically it. That's all I do. And it's good, like it stays like that all night. It did come with some baby hairs like these, and it came with these sideburns, which is cool because I got sideburns like in real life anyway, so I don't mind that. But if you don't like that, you could cut them off. I did shorten them a little bit because I just wasn't into that, and I probably will end up cutting out some more of the baby hairs because it's a little bit like too much. But yeah, other than that, I don't have no complaints. I just cut the lace off the front, off the back, and glued the wig down. I love it. It's really nice. It's so like comfortable. I definitely plan to order from them again. I will put the link to this wig that I ordered in the description box so that y'all can check it out. Yeah, that's basically all I gotta say about this wig. I think it's real cute. It's pretty. If it works for you as a glueless wig, that's great. Like they didn't really have a lot of short wigs, but they do have some bobs. Obviously 360 wigs, pre-bleached wigs, like everything. The lace is great. It melts good. Like I said, it was just kind of light, so I was just tinting it. But yeah, like you can do whatever you want with the hair. Like even then, I did take like my flat iron and like press out the roots a little bit, like to help it kind of melt in, and it straightens good. And then as soon as I put water on it, it waved right back up. So even if you wanted to straighten it, which I had considered, but I changed my mind because I got this other bob wig that I want to try in a couple weeks, and I'm probably gonna straighten that and put curls in it. So I kind of wanted to wear this in its natural state, yeah, because the waves or curls or whatever are pretty. So yeah, that's basically all I got for this video. Don't y'all forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. If y'all got any questions, leave it in the comments. I would definitely order from them again. I would definitely tell y'all to order from them. I know sometimes they have like coupon codes. I don't think they have one right now going on, but I think if you order like 2 weeks, you get like 20% off or something. I don't know. It's on the website, but yeah, I think this was about 120 something including shipping, which is not bad. But obviously the longer or thicker the wig, the more it costs. They do also give the option for HD lace, which I did not choose just because I don't want HD lace. To me, it's just not as durable, and you can't get as many wears out of it, and I'm not those wear the wig one time, throw it away kind of people. I'm not that person. So yeah, that's basically that. I love the wig. The hairline is already popping. It's popping out the pack. I would just suggest to wash it and condition it. It didn't have a weird smell. It didn't smell bad, but I just feel like the curls really like came to life once I washed it and put deep conditioner on it. And all I did for that was use the organic curl shampoo and this Dominican deep conditioner that I use my natural hair. I always use it on my wigs as well. So yeah, I just feel like, as you can see, the hairline's bomb. I just feel like it's a great wig, and y'all would love it. Y'all would enjoy it, and it's a reasonable price, so go pick it up. But yeah, this is Jalisa Mariah, and thank you for watching my video, and thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.